Did you know you could get hundreds of pounds, sometimes up to £500, just for switching your bank account in the UK this year? No special saving tricks, no investing, just meeting a few simple requirements. In this video, I'll show you the best switching offers in 2025 and how to make sure you don't miss out. Hi, I'm Yemi, your financial coach and guide to smart money decisions. Before we dive in, if you want to learn more practical tips on managing your money better, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out future videos. Nearly 1 million people in the UK switched account last year using CAS, which is the current account switching service. And banks are offering generous cash incentive to win new customers. By the end of this video, you'll know which offers give the most value, exactly how to qualify, and how to avoid the common pitfalls that trip people up. I'll take you bank by bank, then share my top tips to make switching stress-free. First up, TSB. This is one of the most generous. You get £100 if you switch via CAS. Log into the app and make 5 debit card payments by 22nd of September. So hurry up because this offer ends soon. Then you can earn an additional £90 cashback, which is £15 a month for 6 months, just by making 20 debit card transactions per month. And here's the key. The spend can be any amount, even if it's buying a carrot or 1 onion at the supermarket. Finally, in February 2026, there is a £120 loyalty reward in hotel credit or activity tickets. That's a total of £310. As a matter of fact, when I did mine earlier this year, I got a £60 cashback, which is £10 a month for 6 months. So this new offer is even better. The next bank switching offer I'm going to share is First Direct. They'll give you £175 when you switch to their first account. To qualify, you will need to switch via CAS, pay in £1,000 within 45 days of opening the account, set up 2 direct debits or standing orders, make at least 5 debit card payments, and log on to the mobile or online banking. Here is a bonus tip. If you go through cashback sites like Quidco or Top Cashback, you can earn an extra £35 on top. I'll put the links for these below. With NatWest or RBS, you will get £125 for switching. You need to pay in £1,250 within 60 days, set up 2 direct debits and log into the app. On top of the £125 switching bonus, there is a £50 bonus if you open a digital regular saver. Right now, this savings account pays interest of 5.5 on balances up to £5,000. So you will get real interest as well as cash bonus. Before you decide to switch, always check the small print. Some offers exclude existing customers, joint accounts, or anyone who's had a bonus in the last couple of years. Terms can also change quickly, so check the requirements carefully before switching. Now, here are the 3 pro tips to help you maximize these offers. Use a dummy account by keeping your main account safe, and use accounts like Monzo, Starling, or a Chase sub account purely for switching. Direct debit hacks. If you need to set up 2 direct debits, small payments like charity donations or even linking your PayPal account works fine. Stay organized. Each bonus has deadlines. I recommend creating a simple spreadsheet to track which accounts you switched, the requirements, and the payout dates. That way you never miss a bonus. Remember, if you're finding this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I share new money saving strategies every week that you don't want to miss. So, which bank bonus are you tempted by in 2025? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this video useful, please share it with a friend who could use extra £100 or more this year. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical UK money tips, and I'll see you in the next video.